You know the old saying, when it rains, it pours. The funny thing about that is, when I used to hear that, I never heard nobody talk about after the rain. How effective the sunshine is. You see, the problem is, you're focused on what you're going through at the current moment. People that you know is not showing you love or being disrespectful because of what you're going through at the current moment. More so what they're probably going through in their whole life. When it rains, it pours. But no one told me how powerful the sun is after the rain. What are you focusing on when you're going through your storm? What are you focusing on when you're going through your pain? Are you constantly complaining when you're going through your storm? Are you constantly bitching when you're going through your storm? Are you constantly whining when you're going through your storm? When it rains, it pours. But no one told me how powerful the sun is after the rain. You see, when you're going through your rain, when you're going through your thunders, when you're going through your storm, when you're going through your tornadoes, your typhoons, your hurricanes, your tsunamis, it's not going to last forever. How you react and how you respond towards any type of adversity in your life is going to determine if you really, truly deserve to enjoy the sunshine after the rain that poured. Stay positive, stay optimistic regardless of the bullshit that you're going through, man. Straight like that. Believe yourself no matter what.